Vechain's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we have now managed to break above resistance at the 0.02497, flipping that key area back into support. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, and the next key area of resistance that we now need to see a break above lies above the 0.027, and I'm still expecting higher prices in what I am now terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas, and above all give you my long-term price prediction analysis, and starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening since the 5th of August when we saw a massive breakdown move giving us a low below the 0.01893. We started a very nice bounce to the upside where we first peaked in this Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And I now believe that we have now bottomed out in that second wave, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies above the 0.03. And for us to fully hit our minimum target area above the 0.03, we first need to see a break above resistance at the 0.027. So in the next coming hours I'm watching for a break above the 0.027, maybe with a successful retest before we can fully hit our minimum target areas above the 0.03 in the next coming hours. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to continue holding above support at the 0.02497. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, where I'm expecting Vechain to do extremely well once the bull market is back. Here on the daily chart you can see that last year we got our bear market lows down there, and we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.05524, in a move that I'm now terming as the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And having seen the high for that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And this is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming weeks we are going to continue seeing very impulsive prices in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies above the 0.08658. So that is the price action that I'm expecting. And in case we manage to fully hit our minimum target areas in these Elliot wave count 3, based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.